In today's video, we have one nested radical in RHS and continued fraction in LHS. How we will solve such kind of equations? Let's understand in this video. I am going to consider this equation equal to y first. We have a square root in right hand side. So for real x, our right hand side must be greater than 0. So there will be one condition on y. Our y must be greater than 0 for x to be real. Now we will equate y with a square root of 2 plus a square root of 2 plus a square root of 2 plus up to infinity. Now we will be squaring both sides. So we will put part 2 here and we will put part 2 in RHS also. Now we can cancel a square root with a square from right hand side. We will write equation y square equal to 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus up to infinity. Now we will take this 2 to the left hand side. So we can write y square minus 2. This will be equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus up to infinity. Now this is equal to y. Here we have same square root for infinite terms. So I can write y over here. So y square minus 2 will be equal to y. By writing all the terms to LHS, we will get one quadratic equation in y. Y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Condition is y must be positive. Now we will be solving this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So I will write y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Here we can compare with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will write a equal to 1, b equal to negative 1, c equal to negative 2. As per quadratic formula, y will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values. We'll write minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 1 times minus 2 over 2 times a. So 2 times 1. Let's simplify. We'll get 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 9 over 2. Now we know that the square root of 9 is 3. We will write 1 plus minus 3 over 2. So we have two values, 1 plus 3 over 2, 1 minus 3 over 2 will be equal to 4 over 2 and minus 2 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2, minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. So we have y equal to 2 and y equal to negative 1. But there is condition on y should be greater than 0. On this ground we will reject negative 1. So y must be equal to 2 only. Now we will equate y with LHS of the original equation. It is y equal to x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x plus up to infinity. Now we will write or put y equal to 2. So 2 will be equal to x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x plus up to infinity. Now we are going to take x to the LHS. We can write 2 minus x will be equal to 1 over x plus 1 over x plus up to infinity. Now we will take reciprocal both sides. So we will write 1 over 2 minus x will be equal to x plus 1 over x plus up to infinity. Now our RHS is again equal to y. This is y. So we will write equal to y. So 1 over 2 minus x equal to y, and y is equal to 2. So we can write 1 over 2 minus x equal to y equal to 2. Or we will be writing here 1 over 2 minus x will be equal to 2. Now we will switch numerator and denominator, or we have to consider reciprocal both sides. We can write 2 minus x. This must be equal to 1 over 2. Now we will take minus x to the RHS so that it will become plus x, and plus 1 over 2 to the LHS. Now here we will write minus half. So our equation will become 1 over 2 here, and in RHS there will be x. Now 2 minus half is 3 half. We will write 3 over 2. This will be equal to x. So our final answer becomes x equal to 3 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.